This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, June 1st. I'm Devin Donis. It's playoff time, and several Commodore teams are still chasing a state crown. On Friday, the boys and girls soccer teams claimed Atlantic Conference tournament titles with impressive wins. The boys defeated Hickory 1-0. Shamar Perry scored a goal near the end of the second overtime. In the girls' game, Maury defeated Princess Anne 2-1. The girls outscored PA in penalty kicks 4-2. Also on Friday, the boys tennis team won their Region 5A semifinal match over Nansemond River 5-0. On Tuesday, the boys tennis team lost the Region 5A final 5-0 against Richmond Power Deep Run. In soccer, Maury teams fared much better as the girls and boys soccer teams scored Region 5A quarterfinal wins against Menchville. Tyler Sanford, Shamar Perry, and Zachy Bucharest scored penalty kicks to help the boys advance. Malia Mariano, Zoe Smith, and Caitlin Powell scored goals for the girls. Now, here's Olivia Mudd in the control room with details about today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Devin. Region 5A playoff action continues today in soccer. The girls' soccer team plays Princess Anne in a Region 5A semifinal match that begins at 5:15 p.m. The boys' soccer team plays at 7 p.m. against Hickory. Both soccer matches are at the Virginia Beach Sportsplex. On Thursday, Ethan Willingham and Harrison Gray will play in the Region 5A doubles tournament. Ethan also will play in the singles competition. The matches will be played at Huntington Park in Newport News. All this while SOL tests continue this week in reading today and chemistry tomorrow. Back to you, Devin.
Thanks, Olivia. Now, here's your Commodore Community Calendar for Wednesday, June 1st. You're up to date for Wednesday. I'm Devin Donis. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.